Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I will show you how you can hide files in Google Drive, so let's get started. Now right from the get-go guys, unfortunately there's no way how you can directly hide files here in Google Drive, but there's a simple trick you can apply to overcome this obstacle. So let's assume I would like to, let's take this file here, that image, I would like to hide that here. So there's a way how you can do this by simply replacing it. Do that by right-clicking on the given file and by selecting file information from that drop-down menu. After that, select upload new version. On the next page or in this window here, click on upload new version again. Locate a file, in this case a photo or image or any other file type you would like to use to replace the given file and to hide it. Locate it on your device and upload it here to your Google Drive. There you go. As you can see, that file here, if I click on it, if I open it, that file has been replaced. So now you can rename it, and that's basically all you need to do, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.